Hello YouTube, Dion from M.A.D with the unboxing of this 4smarts solar power bank that also has a hand crank, and this is an eco-friendly and ideal prepper power bank with a USB Type-C and typical Type-A USB ports. So this is ideal for traveling and outdoor activities, to take it with you and charge your cell phone, your flashlight and any other device that it can handle. The integrated solar panel charging, it's its main feature, and as you can see, you can check this product here at the manufacturer site. This is a cardboard box, and 4smarts shows here an eco-friendly packaging with some recyclable material used here, so take care of the environment and it will take care of you. All in all, I feel it's time to unbox this product and check closely what's inside. And this is not even sealed, you can just unpack it like that. There's some worn off cardboard there, so I'm not really happy about this, since there isn't another sealed packaging here. So here we have it, there's nothing else in the box, and let's check what else is in here. Okay, we have a security mount for mounting it, a short cable. This is okay. We have this tightening cord, is also from cardboard. This is a next level detail that they use cardboard even for tightening their cables. So let's check the manuals first. So here we have more cardboard, and let's put this aside. And I should mention that this is a metal protective mount. So this is a 4smarts product card, social media and pro green program. You can check more details here if you want to save some trees and the environment. This is useful. So let's check now the manual. This is a really tiny one. This might be the tiniest manual I've ever seen, and it gives some information about the warranty and the proper use, but most of the specifications are on the box. So let's check the product itself. Here we have it. This is the solar panel. It has this rubberized feel, and on this end we have the flashlight and the charging ports. They are protected under this rubberized cover. One USB Type-C and two Type-A USB charging ports. It can be sealed like that here. This is an IPX4 dust and water protected device, so you can charge this one and seal it off. And on the other side we have a on-off switch. Okay, here we have it. We have some LED indications there that it's almost full, and we also have the handle with the hand crank. You can use it like that and charge the power bank by hand, and you can see it's almost full. Now this is not the most handy to carry it around, and you totally need this security mount to tidy it up on your backpack and carry it around while charging. This is the place that the hand crank should be placed later on after you have charged it, and it is placed like that. And the flashlight is there for any case of emergency. You can also double it as a power bank with a flashlight and carry it like an all-in-one device. This is a really handy one for trips. So now let's check the flashlight and just connect the cable. In order to turn on the flashlight, you just keep press the key like that, and now it's turned on. You can see it's quite bright, and we turn it off, and again this is quite bright, and this might be really handy in various situations. So I consider this a great product. As far as connections go, here we have the cable. It's a really short one, and you can insert it here on this USB Type-C port, or with the usual USB type cable charging this device or any other with this power bank. It's quite tight, this cable here. Anyway, this is the first connection we have. Overall, this is a great product. You can actually use it by hand using this hand crank. You can charge any device, you can use solar power. It has a flashlight and if found at a low price, I can totally recommend this one. If you like this video, feel free to subscribe, give us a like, leave a comment below on how you feel about this product, ring the bell for more videos, and as always from M.A.D Tech, thank you for watching.